Let's see how to buy hosting. Once you've bought the domain name from GoDaddy, again, here we are buying hosting from GoDaddy. So you were searching for hosting. Let's see the plans. So here, if you see, there are plans starting from per month. Domain, always you have to buy at least for minimum an year. And hosting, you can even buy for a month. But here we are taking hosting for 12 months. Let's see this one. Here are the plans. So since I just want to create it for one website and 30 GB storage is good enough and free one-click WordPress install. So here we are buying Linux hosting. Always check for the plan. So here we are taking for the starter plan. Let's add to cart. Here you're seeing the duration for how long you want to buy. 1 month, 3 months, etc. Here we are going for 2 months, 12 months. Make sure the hosting which you're taking is with cPanel. Always check. And continue. Here's the cart. We have hosting for 12 months. And that is for 1908. And then you just have to go ahead and pay. Here are the taxes added. So if you see here, the total cost is 2251. And then the way you want to pay it, you can. Right now, I'm just not taking this auto renew option. So here I'll be doing my payment from UPI and then I'll have my hosting. That's the only step to buy hosting. And then in your products, you can see your hosting.